tired. But what do I make a video about? Here's a room tour. This is my bed. It's a mess now. It's got clothes on it. Last night's warm clothes. My new jacket, it looks fucking hot on me. Looks really nice. There's a guitar, there's a wallet, there's a drumstick, there's a bag, there's some cool people over there. There's me with a horse. You see the horse? And there's me. And there's Japan. That Japan thing is something I inherited, which is nice. Here's a little teddy bear with a bow tie. Very cute. One of the oldest teddy bears that I own. Hasn't got a name though. I never named my teddies. There's a corner with a guitar and a laptop bag and a sock. There's a tarot deck. There's an audio interface, a book, a water bottle, a book, a chicken, you know, candle and shit. There's paper in that candle there. It's black stuff, you can see it's burnt paper. Here's my webcam. This is where all the magic happens. It's a camera. Here's a little soundproofing thing. It's not very effective right now in the way I use it, but I think it's just nice to have around. Reminds me that I'm a musician, but I don't need reminding because I'm more than a musician. But am I? Yeah, but no. I don't know. Here's a cup that says dog approved human on it. And there's a little ice cream in there. Because I was fucking doing an assignment and I was like, God, I want an ice cream. So I went out and bought an ice cream. And then I put it in there. Like a whack ass. Here's my glass of water. It's a good glass of water. Here's a crab. Here's my little crab. I found this at the very end of cancer season last year. And if you don't know, cancer is a crab. So I was like, oh my God, okay, I'm gonna take this because apparently I deserve it after passing cancer season. It was beautiful. Amethyst. Purple. My favorite color. My favorite gem. A little green thing. Oh, watch this. What a strange world. I have to be very quiet because everyone in this house is fast asleep. There's a tambourine on the ground, an egg, a bit of dust. Fuck, it gets dusty in this room so quick. I vacuumed this room a week ago. Microphone that fell on the ground earlier tonight, and I was like, oh fuck. Some sunscreen. This is where the magic happens. Sorry. Here's a mallet. You go boom, boom, you know, boom, boom, boom. 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 You know what I mean. Sorry, I freaked out for a moment there. Boom. It's just what happens sometimes. Here's my scarf. I use it as a backdrop in my videos. It's worth it. Even though it's like, I don't really want to hang out my scarf. But I mean, it's nothing new really. Like, I use it, I tie it around my waist and stuff sometimes. Like, it's used to being tied up. So it's fine. Oh, how could I forget? Here's the underneath of my bed. Also, I want new bed sheets. I need my beautiful luxury, beautiful, delicious, tasty, silky bed sheets. I don't know if I've ever slept in silk before, but that'd be so cool, and I deserve it. But these are nice. These are nice. Hey, I didn't even know that guy was up there. I forgot I put him there. Oh well, I'm not gonna look anywhere in there anymore because it's not my stuff. Too much of a mind fuck in there. Ah! It's real. My grandpappy gave this to me when I was like 5 and I still have it because it's so cool. I love spiders. I forgot what these are called. Clapsticks. Obviously. That's my name. And I was born in the year of the monkey. So it's a monkey. Is a monkey Shrek? Shrek, you wanna fuck the monkey? Shut up, donkey. I don't wanna fuck the monkey. Donkey. Fuck, I look good in this. I fucking love this. It's so beautiful. Oh, look at my nails too. They look black, but they're actually like really dark red. It's called cherry black. It's like black but with cherry on it. It's so cold. I can't do that anymore. It's too cold for that. There's a keyboard back there, a Commodore keyboard. Damn, I need to come to this corner of my room more often. That is satisfying. Did you see that? It was very fun. There's also some posters in the background. It says, in this moment I am love, bliss, peace, happiness, fulfillment. In this moment I am love, bliss, peace, happiness, fulfillment. I really do need to come to this corner of my room more often. Also, look at this. It's a blanket. Oh, it's a blanket that my nana made for me, which is really cool. It's such a nice blanket. It's got music stuff on it. And here's my bloody shirt. My shirt wardrobe. It's got shirts that I barely wear in it. It's got some good ones. It's what I put this one in. This one's the best. It's my most recent purchase. Actually, but I've got a dress on the way. And that's exciting. Yeah, there's some good clothes in here. Here's a bag. Now get fucked. Sorry. There's some microphones in there too. Couple of mics. Yeah, this room tour is legit. There's even a fucking belt in there. Here's my books. This is my favorite book ever. You know what book it is? It's Sacred Journey of the Peaceful Warrior. Book. Here's some more drumsticks. They make you want to go, just get it. Listen to this. Fuck, I did that so badly. I'm trying to be quiet. Meow, meow, meow. Boom, 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 boom. You just got wizarded. Here's my new necklace. It's really nice. Really looks nice next to my eyeballs. Doesn't it look so good next to my eyeballs? Mm-hmm. Here's me when I was such a beautiful little kid. I was a little cutie. Here's some stuff and things. There's some stones. There's a shell. There's my pearls. There's my makeup. This new lipstick. I haven't had good lipstick in a long time. So this shit's amazing. That shit sparks, man. My nail polish. Whatever. Oh, yeah, and here's my gratitude jar. This shit's awesome. Oh, it's so fucking good. Definitely get a gratitude jar. It's worth it. It's the best. Here's a little fidget spinner. Fuck. I'm not a pro at this. So, I'm not good enough. But, it's pretty good. Yeah. And there's like a dirty dish right there. It's got candles in it. It's been there for like probably like a few days. Here's my obsidian. Oh, it's so nice. It's got a little pyramid on there. Isn't that delicious? Such a cutie. And here's the final place, I suppose. It's my other cupboard. It's got my dresses in there. And it's also where I wrap. I'm too embarrassed to wrap anywhere else. It's got my symbols in there too. You go. Pss, 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 pss. It's got some clothes that I need to dry clean on the ground in there. Yeah, I'll dry clean them. I'll get them to a dry cleaners someday. But yeah, let's get in here. It's exactly why I like the cupboard, because I feel like I can be a bit louder in here. That's why I'm comfortable rapping in here. I'm also pretty comfy singing in here. It's like taking a piss in it. Like a British person on a weekend. Factory weekends. Oh, I didn't even show you the bedside table. This is the bedside table. It's a bit of a mess right now. It's got a book, another book, a pencil case, and a torch. And this, yeah. God damn it. And there's a green plant. Bet you didn't expect that. Yeah. Anyway. I'm fucking disappointed that this video is 18 minutes long. But you know what? Maybe someone will watch it. And maybe they'll have a bit of fun watching me just, I don't know, do a tour of my room. It's literally all this is. It's so dingy. I don't know. My room's not dingy, it's beautiful. I love my room. But it doesn't feel worth it. This whole video, it doesn't feel worth it. But, maybe someone will enjoy it. And maybe I'm just judging myself too harshly. And that's what makes this all worth it. Is that I'm learning to not judge myself so harshly. So, who gives a shit? No one. Except for me. But I don't have to. I can just have a bit of fun with it. I can just be like a dog. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it there. Have a bloody good day. Hallelujah. Stay safe out there. And have the best day ever. Goodbye.